All right guys, so today in the workshop we've had this 79 series dual cab Landcruiser, and one of the things I must say I love about it, it is the ultimate work vehicle that you can quickly add a few things basically into and take it away on your big touring trip. So it's a great dual purpose built vehicle. Let me run you through the car from the front to the rear. So on the front end, it is a ARB bull bar supporting its ARB brush rails, including the integrated side steps. Mounted in there is a Warn winch, and we have got a set of steady spotlights on the front. Now, talking about spotlights and lighting, heap of lights on this. An additional light force light bar on the Rhino rack roof rack, as well as these two side lights on either side. So it's 4 work lights or side lights, great for camping from Steedy as well. Now, other than that, on the front end, GME antenna, as well as a rod easy rod holder. Now, those are the ones where you can actually uncouple the top half, which holds your rods to get it out of the way and screw it back in when you need it. Great for the fishing trips. Now, a set of clear view towing mirrors, which are the extendable towing mirrors on the sides, as well as a Safari RMAX snorkel. Now, that big snorkel is feeding through the engine. Coming out on this end is a 4-inch stainless steel Just Autos exhaust. On the wheels and tires and suspension on this vehicle is running 32 inches, Wild Peak, all-terrain Falcon tires. Now, we found that these Falcon tires are really great in the wet, and we do run them on a lot of our fleet here at the Bush Company. Those are wrapped around a set of Pro Comp wheels in a 17-inch format, and then supporting that is a set of Old Man Emu springs with the BP51 remote reservoir shock absorbers. Now, we can see immediately by looking at this vehicle on the outside, it has got a GVM upgrade, as you can see by this larger white indicator on that end. So obviously get that up when we do the compliancing here in Australia. Now, as of that, the back of this is super simple. Toyota tray, standard tray, which allows you to fit your spare wheel under the back and get it out from the inside of the vehicle. Spare wheel in the back, a Heyman Reese X-bar on the back provides your ultimate recovery, basically rear bar. You've got 3 sets of recovery points on the back of this that are rated to different load ratings as well. As far as the canvas cover goes, this cover came out absolutely stunning. It's STC, guys put it together. One thing I really do like, and I'll show you guys, is there's actually a stiffener which has been sewn into this cover. So a few quick elastics off there. There's a stiffener bar which runs through this whole section. Nice thing with that is it gives you a great surface to roll that up so you can actually have access. Not just that, there's also additional mosquito mesh on the inside. For example, if you do have the dogs in here, they can breathe easy and you can keep things, bugs and so on, stop getting them in. Simple King's fridge on a slide out, and you can see this is a commercial vehicle. There is probably about a 400-litre diesel tank fitted in there. So when you're on the farm or you got to go to the job site, that's there, whip it out for the weekend away with your mates. Now, we had the privilege of installing our AX27 rooftop tent. And what's really great with this one is the customer actually wanted it flipped around so that it can use the Rhino rack, platform rack as a patio or a veranda. So as you can see over here, we've actually taken the ladder mount from the side of the tent and attached it to a custom bracket which mounts up to the Rhino rack platform rack. Really easy. Your standard ladder that's provided with the tent clips into position like that. Now, from over here, simple to get up. The great part about this type of setup, and we're seeing this quite common lately, is that you actually have this room to move around a little bit when you are up here. It does or is a lot easier for some people to get into instead of accessing it up in the other direction or from the rear. Now, from there, simply pop the AX27 rooftop tent's stainless steel latches open and the tent basically lifts itself. Now, from here, really simple. You can pull the bungee cord down, grab your rain fly, and insert your 2 spring rods, just like that, one on the left hand side and one over here on the right hand side, giving you that coverage. The great part is such easy access into the side of your tent. Like this, you can basically go straight into bed. Also, leave your shoes outside and they're actually covered and protected by the rain fly. Now let's get down and have a look at the awning. Now, as far as the awning goes, the customer actually brought in their existing 270 XT awning. What we did on this as well is supplied a new bag for this fit out, just to make sure that it's really tidy and finished off nicely. So the nice thing with the 270 XT, as many of you know, is simply the speed that it does to deploy this, or that it is to deploy this. So once that's open, roll that down, grab your strap like this, and we will simply walk it around the back. We've attached our awning strap hook bracket to the side of the tent. It allows for easy attachment of the strap. Pull it tight, all the way tensioned, and there you have it. Ease of use, quick setup time, and ample shade for any adventure that you might go on. Guys, I just want to say thanks for watching this walkthrough video of the 79 Series Land Cruiser. For more information on the Bush Company products, pop to our website at www.thebushcompany.com. Don't forget to go bush, and I will catch you later.